Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how you can edit your profile details and upload signature on TranZact. For that, on the top right corner, locate the downward arrow. Click on this downward arrow. Here, my profile name is Akhil N. Beside the name, you'll find the settings icon. Click on the settings icon. From here, you can edit your profile details. So under personal info, you can change your first name, last name, and mobile number. The only thing you cannot change is your email ID, as it is your login ID, which is used while logging into TranZact. You can certainly change your password. For that, click on password, enter the current password, enter the new password here, and re-enter the new password. After that, click on change password. Your password will be changed. Now how to upload signature? For that, click on signature. Here you get an option to upload signature image. So a signature image must be there in your PC. So click on upload signature image and select the file from your PC. I'm doing that. Here I have selected the file. Now click on save. To view the changes, I need to refresh the page. Now click on signature to view the changes. As you can see, the signature has been uploaded. You can attach the signature on the document you want. You can also delete the signature by clicking on delete signature. On TranZact, you can also upload your profile photo. For that, click on upload photo. Now you click on upload image and select your profile picture file and click on save. After that, your profile picture will be saved on your TranZact profile. This is how you can make the changes on your profile. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.